Delete laws too fragile to discuss lawsuits. On his most recent live stream, Chille DeCastro solemnly swore that he no longer has the emotional capacity to discuss his legal cases without becoming overwhelmed with emotions and negativity. DeCastro was in the middle of a 4-hour-long stream entitled Big Win, Big Loss with Federal Civil Rights Lawsuit, Let's Talk About It Calmly, when he made the statement and had just asked his fans to stop telling him the negative things others were saying about him online. The YouTuber was upset about growing criticism of him online, admitting in the past that he going after trolls or even discussing trolls was a waste of time and money. He explained that he was suing trolls in a California court as punishment for things they said about him online, but questioned the lawsuit as it was causing him to go into further debt. Addressing rumors that there were lifetime restraining orders against him and detailing events that were detailed in at least one restraining order against him, the aging YouTuber, who appears to weigh over 260 pounds, claimed to be 220 pounds, and that if he had wanted to damage anything, he would have been arrested for damaging it. DeCastro held on to the mantra that he was the only truth-teller as he returned to watching police videos. As he watched, the YouTuber seemed to become mentally strained by a 2016 case where a young girl in Maryland was involved in a car crash and ended up with charges for refusing to cooperate with law enforcement. When his chat pressured him to call the police station involved in the arrest, an apparently dazed DeCastro said that it didn't make any sense to call the station to complain 6 years later. He apparently did not appreciate, as some chatters pointed out, that the event happened in 2016, it was now 2024, and it had been 8 years since the events. DeCastro spent part of the livestream focusing on his product line, announcing that he had a new batch of 2XL hoodies in stock and had limited quantities of other sizes. He reaffirmed his statement that he was sending those who purchased a hoodie a copy of both his indestructible trifold and 5A cop cards with every order. Pausing on the cop cards, which he explained cost him $7,000 to manufacture, and he had previously complained about overstock of the card, he said that he sends copies of his 5A cop cards with every order that isn't for the 5A cop cards. He explained that it was more important for everyone to have the cards in their wallets rather than for him to try to make money off of them. Addressing his attempts to become more electable, DeCastro, who had used the terms pig, pig shack, and piggies for police and police-related things throughout the livestream, mockingly said he was cutting back on the use of the word pig unless they deserved it. He ended the livestream by calling Justice of the Peace Ann Zimmerman, who found him guilty earlier this year in a Nevada court, see you next Tuesday, to the delight of his fans.